Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at affiliate marketing, but first and foremost, how to actually get started for free. Yes, this video is going to be useful for you if you're a beginner, if you're interested in affiliate marketing. How do you get started for free? What do you do? I'm going to share with you everything right now. Okay, guys, I'm here on my screen and welcome to the channel if you're watching this for the first time. So I'm going to cover a few things within this video. But if you're here for the first time, as I mentioned, welcome, welcome, welcome. This channel is all about skill sets that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. I primarily use affiliate marketing within these skill sets, and I'm going to be talking about it today on this video specifically because first and foremost, today is a Wednesday. And I love to get into a little bit of how I structure my entire side hustle. Yes, guys, I do have a full-time job. This is just a side hustle right now that is getting me consistent income. And in fact, the way I've structured it is what you can see on the screen right now. There are two steps. I'm not going to go into detail in the steps. On a Friday, I talk about more the details about the strategy and stuff like that. But you can see step one is related to cash flow. And then step two is in taking that cash flow and being able to build a long-term sustainable business within this structure. Now, with affiliate marketing, guys, the primary skill sets, and you can watch 1,000 videos online on YouTube and everything else, and you should be doing your due diligence, which is the best strategy for you. But in today's video, the way I'm going to structure it is if you want to get started for free. Let's say you have absolutely no money and you want to get started for free and you need to be able to have the right tools, the right elements to be able to put into place and get that side hustle income, right? We all started with zero. I personally started with zero as well, but I had a specific strategy. It took me 6 years before I even made a single commission online. So I know that I've spent my time making mistakes and also having successes to be able to share with you in this video. That being said, guys, I'm going to cover it. I prepared a presentation, but absolutely everything that you're getting here, this is a training. This is an education. If you want to take it that way, take it as an education. Okay. You can share this video with other people. You can comment. Let me know if you have any questions at any point of time. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, because on Monday, I post specifically about how to generate a cash flow. On Wednesdays, we talk about a little bit more technical stuff, but also just how I structure everything. And then on a Friday, we go about the strategy itself. But today, this is a bonus video. Take this video and you can run with it absolutely for free. You can watch this video again and again if needed, but I'm going to go into it in detail. So I prepared a presentation first and foremost, and then I'm going to jump into exactly how we're going to be doing this. Okay. So I want to talk about the pillars of marketing, guys. Before we get into everything, before we get into the actual, meat and potatoes of this video, the actual content of this video, I want to let you understand, or rather help you understand, that there are only two skill sets that you need to be able to start to generate commissions with affiliate marketing or any kind of marketing for that matter. Let's say you have a master resale rights course that you want to now share with other people and you get 100% commissions with that. Great, perfect, no problem. The skill sets still remain the same. Advertising and copy are two skill sets that we need throughout. Why advertising and copy? Because advertising gets the people, gets your message out there, let me put it that way. And then the copy is the conversion side of converting those people into sales. So say you have your ideal customer, your right audience, you are advertising to that right audience, and to get the conversion of that is where the copy comes into perspective. So those are the two skill sets that you need. No matter what anybody tells you, these are the skill sets you need. Okay. I'm just letting you save a lot of time by telling you it upfront. And we'll go into how we can do it for free right now. So let me go ahead and first and foremost, go into the presentation. This is how to start affiliate marketing if you have the time and you want to get started for free. Remember, nothing is paid here. This is absolutely free content. I want to make sure that you can do it for free. But there's one important note to understand within this whole structure. And the important thing is that time or money is always needed to grow any business. You either need time or you need money. Yes, there are structures in place for the businesses and so on and so forth, but you either need time or money. Even with investments, you either time and money is both needed. So you know what I'm trying to say is basically, if it's free, you have to spend more time on it. So give yourself the benefit of the doubt. Give yourself those 12 months. A lot of the time, 95% of the market is out there. 95% of business owners also out there do not make it because they cannot stick with, 12 months to 3 years to 5 years to be able to actually do this, because It takes time. And if you are moving forward, that's the only thing that you need to look at. Okay. So free equals time. Just know it. And if you go into the paid method, then you are spending money. Just know this upfront. Okay. This is just important to know. I'm not saying anything else, but giving you this information. So let's go ahead and talk about the pillars of affiliate marketing. Now, the pillars of affiliate marketing, guys, I'm going to share it this way. If you have these three elements in place, no matter what kind of business, whether it's a physical, it's not only affiliate marketing, whatever marketing, whether it's a physical product, whether it's a digital product, whether it's a a store that you have, these three pillars exist. Advertising is the first thing. The second thing is your marketing or sales process. What this means is that you don't have to do the selling and telling always, but are you marketing to the right audience? Do you have a process in place to convert those people into sales? So having that sales process in place, whether it's automated or manual. Let me give you two examples. Let's say a manual approach. If you have a service-based business and you're getting people, your whole advertising is getting leads. Converting those leads into sales, you have a salesperson who cold calls or picks up the call and fixes an appointment. This is a whole sales process in place. So you need it, whether it's a service-based business or whether it's digital products. I will share with you how we have it with affiliate marketing and digital products. Okay. So that's a sales process that you need. And then finally, the support that is given to the people who are purchasing that service from you. Whether you like it or not, this is needed. Now, with affiliate marketing, the advantage is when you do this whole structure, the support for the product itself is the person who owns the product. It's not you, the person who owns the product, as well as your support is just guiding the person in the right direction. So let's say the person reaches out, you make a sale and somebody reaches out to you. You are able to guide that person and say, listen, this is the product, reach out to customer support here. That's the support that you can give. The heavy lifting of the support is done by the product owner itself or the vendor itself. Okay. But these are the pillars that are needed. Go ahead and say, how would I personally, if I had to get started for free today, how would I go ahead and get started for free? First and foremost, as I said before, the first pillar is advertising. So pick a free advertising method. Video right now, video, short form video in general, even long form video, but video would be the best and the way to get the quickest results just because you're relating to your audience more. So you're going from cold to warm audience, you're going from cold to warm audience quite quickly, and the results are able to convert quite well because of the video and this whole element of getting to know your customers. It's like knowing a brand that you see quite often, like let's say in different supermarkets, and then you're able to say, okay, let's try this brand out because I've seen that it's there, here, here, here. So you're going from a cold customer to a warm customer. This is what is needed. So a free advertising method. Video is the best. So I would choose any of the social media platforms at the moment right now have a video available. So whether it's Instagram, whether it's TikTok, whether it's Pinterest, whether it's whatever, Facebook, you have the YouTube shorts. Everything that's available has video in it right now. So that's one of the things. Pick your advertising method. One advertising method, guys. Start off with one. Let's say in the first year that you're working with this free strategy, you pick one advertising method. Then if you want to get into let's say you pick Facebook first, then you want to get into Instagram. After 6 to 12 months, I would get into Instagram. After another 3 months, I would get into TikTok. After another 3 months, so then make sure that you accumulate it. But initially, just start off with one platform, because if you're not doing it, your first job is to get used to doing it. Once you're used to doing it, then you learn the other platforms quite quickly, and the progress, unfolds quite faster. So that's just in a nutshell about advertising. The second thing is build a funnel. This is a must, okay? Whoever tells you that this is not needed is completely wrong, just because, and I'm sorry I'm saying it so upfront, but it is needed. A funnel is needed in this whole entire sales process. The sales process with the funnel basically is doing the selling and also is creating a long-term asset, which is your email list. So that's the two things that you need. And that funnel has to have one objective. What do I mean by this? One objective in the previous week's video, I think so, or a couple of weeks ago, I think, yeah, previous week's video, I spoke about the 3 best methods of how to create a funnel, right? So exactly one objective is very important for that funnel. So say you have a lead generation for that funnel, you're getting basically that lead. That is your focus. You're giving a free gift. That is the objective of it. And the question still remains, all of this is for free. So what am I an affiliate of? Or what should I be an affiliate of? And what product should I promote? So there are 2 ways to answer this question. One is you can go ahead and search for a product or service within a specific market, a specific niche, let's say a product-based offer if you want or not. This is if you already have an offer, right? Let's say you don't have any offer, you don't know where to go, you don't know what to start up. What should you promote? The second way is what I'm going to answer this question. So let's break it down. System.io is the place that I would go to right now if I was starting. This is me, okay? There are other affiliate marketing platforms out there. There's ClickBank if you want free products, but ClickBank is you really need to have a really solid structure before you break things down. I know it's all over YouTube and stuff like that about ClickBank, but you can use it. There is a method to use it. In actually the next video, I will show you guys a method on how to use ClickBank. But for now, I'm just going to talk about System.io 100%. Why? Because first and foremost, System.io is free to start. What is System.io? I'm going to share with you in a second. System.io basically is also absolutely free. You can build a funnel with it. You can have your email list with it. If you want to create a course and support your community more, you can build a community and support your community. So it has all three pillars within one section itself. Okay, it has all three pillars of affiliate marketing within one tool, within one specific offer. It has a marketplace where you can find other offers and also promote multiple offers. Or you can promote the courses that they have itself, which you are already becoming an affiliate for by having this tool. That is it. What does this do for you? It basically builds a long-term potential because you're not, sharing 10 different options out there. You're sharing one thing, different maybe courses, but one specific tool, which is System.io. You start to get results by earning commissions in that. And at the same time, you're setting yourself up for recurring income as now you're building affiliates within System.io all for free. There is a huge potential with System.io, guys, and I think not many people are taking advantage of it just because of the fact that it's not, in your face. So I'm letting you guys know that you can get this whole section, you can get absolutely for free. So what is System.io? Let's go ahead and share with you. System.io basically is an all-in-one tool that you have. Okay, it's all-in-one marketing tool. It is absolutely for free. I'm going to go to the pricing immediately because I want you guys to see it. It's absolutely for free up to 2,000 contacts. You can build 3 sales funnels. So as I said, sales process is getting in place. Plus you can have unlimited emails sent. Email campaigns, you can have one, but you can have unlimited emails sent. So that's good. And if you want to have a course and everything else with the free software, you can still be able to do all of this. Okay, so now you're creating a long-term asset for yourself, but I'm going to sign in and show you the beauty of what I mean. If you go to marketplace right here, sorry, dashboard and then marketplace, you'll see that there are different info products, there are different services, there are different templates, there are different physical products, and it's all based on a category and then a vendor. So you can actually have courses that either you create and add it here, so it's a creator's marketplace, or which you can get master resell rights. As I mentioned before, you can get 100% of the commissions coming to you. So that's one of the ways that you can do it. Or as I will show you, and I'm going to show you this very clearly. Okay, so if we go to, I'm just going to do a filter. Sorry, guys. Let me just do this and go to, I want to see system products. So we'll go to, yeah, here we go. So you see right here, I just put the all times to show you guys the commissions to see how, people are getting paid in commissions and stuff like that. So this is since 2021. It has this offer, obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 top 10, I guess, are all System.io itself. So System.io, what it does for you additionally, let me actually show you guys this. If I go, I'll just open another tab and put System.io, do this, and we will scroll down here, and I want to show you something very interesting. So let's go and look at the affiliate program. Okay, not affiliate management. Okay, guys, so here I am on the affiliate program, just to show you. As you get the tool, remember, it's absolutely for free. You get the tool, you have the tool, you're able to create a funnel for yourself, you're able to have everything. But this is the beauty of it. You get 60% lifetime commissions. This means that anything that System.io is created and you sell and you share with your audience, you are going to get 60% of the commissions. Okay, that means courses that are sold, swipes that are sold, whatever, anything that is sold, all of this. So for example, this course right here, which is you're selling maybe a free product, you get 50% of the commissions per sale for this. You get 50% of the commissions per this. You get for this sale, for this product. Now I'll just show you guys this. Okay, if I go to start promoting, you'll see right here. Let's look at the sales page so that you understand. For only $7, so this product costs $7. You get, it's basically a course, and you get all of these bonuses. So you can now use these offers, absolutely, which are low ticket offers, right? You're able to build a sales funnel within System.io, which is very easy. If you guys don't know how to build a sales funnel, as I said, just comment below, let me know. I will share with you my entire playlist in the description of this video that gives you the idea of how to actually set up a funnel yourself. But you can set up a funnel, have this in place, and now you have a product or service that you can share. So this is getting set up first and foremost for those, small commissions, and it is possible to get these small commissions, right? So let me show you. Even if I go to my affiliate dashboard, just to let you guys know, okay, you'll see that I got a $4 and $4.2 right here commission that came in. This is what a System.io sale. So it is possible to get these programs or these commissions for the small ones. Now, I'm not creating a funnel because I have a different process. This entire process that I have is a course myself I've created, and it's in the description of this video. But if you want to do it absolutely for free, once you set up your funnel, once you set up your whole sales process, you have multiple offers. Sorry, let me go to marketplace. You have multiple offers here that you can take, share, sell to your audience. So you're building an email list, you're getting somebody to join your funnel, and you're giving this, let's say, of one of the free options, okay? Because there are also free PDFs that you can share, which then lead to courses. All of these are in one ecosystem of System.io. So now you're getting a free affiliate for System.io. If they upgrade, if they make any purchases in the future, you get payments on each of them. So not now. So let's say they join your funnel, but it's not just once, twice, 3 times, as many times as they make commissions for either courses or they buy the software itself and they start to use it for the long term, which is what I would suggest. You're now getting monthly payments or yearly payments, because this is also a software that you can pay for. And I would suggest, as your journey goes ahead and you advance, you will pay for such a software, you're going to start to get recurring income coming in. So I hope you understand the logic behind it. As you can see, if they get annual plans, you'll get basically a certain amount that comes in, 60% of that. This is well for the annual unlimited plan. And there are so many products that are here. The info products itself are 400. So there are options available all for you. So that's how I would personally get started with affiliate marketing for free. Does that make sense? Did you guys understand it? If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments. I want to make these videos as valuable as possible. System.io is a great tool. You can get started absolutely for free. If you do decide to get started for free, the link is in the description of this video. If you get my course, I'm going to give you a free funnel, which you can use, you can change, you can do this strategy, which I'm talking about. Absolutely. So this course that teaches my entire strategy is in the description, and you'll get access also to me in my Facebook group there, where we can discuss in case you have a different vision in place. It is all dependent on you guys. Okay. There is work that's needed. As I mentioned before, this is free. Therefore, once you have your setup in place, all you will need to do after that is focus on the advertising, whichever free platform, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, whatever it is. That is where the focus is. I'm not going to be teaching that specifically here, just because there's so many options available and you can get started for free. And maybe, I personally use paid advertising, so I don't want to talk about free advertising if I'm not using it myself. But you can, okay? This is how you can do it. And that's how I would start today. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video.